I'm glad that the settlement has finally reached a conclusion and that the settlement funds are going to be dispersed so that they can go to help others that are sick and suffering and need the funds. While the settlement isn't perfect, it's been going on a long time, and I'm just relieved it's finally been settled.
I participated in a lot of the different trials, which a lot of them were on Zoom at the time. I spoke on Zoom to all the attorney generals of the United States, like, to tell my son's story. I went to the Supreme Court to hear the oral arguments with several other victims. Yeah, I've been very involved in this case from the very beginning.
While there's no justice for any of the victims that are involved in the settlement, there is a certain amount of accountability that they must take, given the funds, and that they're out of the opioid business. They can never sell opioids again. And it does, to me, show that there was accountability that they had to take for all the pain and suffering that they caused so many millions of American people and families.
And it's just been a very long, painful, frustrating journey since then, to the point where we are now, where there's a settlement. I'm very happy there's a settlement. I'm not happy with the settlement.
I'm hopeful that the funds that are secured will really help people who are sick and suffering right now. Hopefully it can be used for prevention resources, substance use disorder treatment centers, help for people. Addiction treatment is expensive. And so hopefully if these funds come pouring in, more people will get the help that they need with the funds to be able to reach recovery.
It's hard to think of the value of your child's life. But, it's hard to put a sum of money to it. But, I just hope I get something from it, so that my son's life is not worthless, I guess is the way I would say it.